Okay, here's the hot water. You see the hot water? Wow. Where's the hot water? Okay, we go into the shower. Okay, no hot water in the shower, obviously. And, oh gee, the shower head is leaking all over the place. Okay, no hot water, shower head leaks. Aircon, how about the aircon? Let's look at the aircon. I set the aircon at 16 degrees Celsius last night, cooling, on high. There you go. Power switch is hanging by a piece of wire. I woke up at 4:30 this morning, sweating my ass off. Okay? It's set at 16 degrees. Look, here's the remote. It says 16 degrees. I have the door open. I have the other door open at 7:30 in the morning because it's so friggin' hot in this room. $130 US a night.